Let me ask you something. What if I told you altcoin season isn't just around the corner, but it's behaving completely differently this time? Bitcoin just smashed through its $100,000 all-time high, making headlines across the globe. Yet, altcoins, the usual stars of the show, are lagging. They're stuck. Ethereum is still $1,600 below its 2021 peak. So, what's really happening? And what does this mean for you as we move into 2025? Stick around because I promise, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going on and how to play it smart. Here's the problem. Bitcoin's broken its all-time high, but the broader altcoin market hasn't followed like it usually does. Instead, it hit the same peak from 2021, got rejected, and is now in a correction. That's not what we expect in a typical cycle. Normally, when Bitcoin hits these levels, the altcoin market explodes as people pour their money into the next big thing. But not this time. Why is this happening? And is altcoin season still on the table for 2025? Now, before we dive deeper, let me back this up with a little context. Over the last 27 months, I've been trading altcoins with a 78% win rate. This isn't just theory. I've lived through these cycles, analyzed the data, and profited from it. Today I'll break it all down for you step by step so you can make smarter moves in this market. Sound good? Let's get started. Okay, let's set the stage. Bitcoin has always been the market leader, right? But its dominance doesn't last forever. Historically, when Bitcoin makes a big move like hitting a new all-time high, investors start looking at altcoins for bigger, faster gains. It's almost like clockwork. But here's the twist. This time, something's off. Ethereum, the second biggest player in the market, is struggling. Back in 2021, Ethereum was already breaking into price discovery territory when Bitcoin dominance started dropping, kicking off altcoin season. This time, Ethereum hasn't even hit its previous peak. It's like trying to run a marathon with one shoe missing. Something's holding it back. And it's not just Ethereum. The total market cap of altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, also hit its 2021 peak and got rejected. No parabolic breakout, no price discovery, just resistance. But why is this happening? Here's where it gets interesting. Bitcoin dominance, the metric that shows how much of the total crypto market Bitcoin controls, is behaving differently. Usually at this stage of the cycle, Bitcoin dominance drops as money flows into altcoins, but right now dominance is climbing again. If it breaks above its previous high, it could throw the entire altcoin season narrative off course. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on two things: Bitcoin's price action and altcoin market structure. Let's break that down. First, Bitcoin. Right now, it's holding steady at $100,000, with strong support at $94,000. If that support holds, Bitcoin could push higher, and that means altcoins might have to wait their turn. But if Bitcoin stumbles and dominance starts to drop, that's when we could see the floodgates open for altcoins. Now let's talk about Ethereum because it's the bellwether for the altcoin market. In 2021, Ethereum was flying high, breaking records and leading the charge. This time it's struggling to even match its old highs. Why? A big part of it is resistance. The altcoin market isn't in price discovery like it was last cycle. Instead, it's stuck fighting old battles, hitting the same resistance levels we saw in 2021. And here's something that might surprise you: the Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio. Ethereum performs relative to Bitcoin. Right now it's sitting on long-term structural support with bullish divergence building up. If Ethereum bounces here, it could be the signal we've been waiting for. Altcoin season could finally kick off. History tells us altcoin seasons are tied to Bitcoin's 4-year cycle. In 2017, altcoin season lasted 322 days. In 2021, it lasted the same, 322 days. If the pattern holds, the next altcoin season could stretch all the way to October 2025. That's a long runway for potential gains, but only if the market aligns. Right now, we're in the setup phase. Bitcoin is doing its thing, establishing dominance and setting the stage. But once it passes the baton, altcoins could explode like they have in every previous cycle. The key is patience. Timing matters more than ever. So, where does this leave us? Here's the bottom line. Altcoin season isn't canceled, it's just delayed. The market is in a transition phase, and while it's tempting to dive into altcoins right now, a cautious approach might be smarter. Focus on quality projects: Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. Projects with strong fundamentals that are likely to survive any short-term turbulence. And if you're feeling impatient, remember this: The best opportunities often come to those who wait. Timing the market isn't about being the first, it's about being ready when the trend shifts. Alright, now I want to hear from you. What's your strategy for this altcoin season? Are you stacking Ethereum, hunting for the next 100x gem, or waiting on the sidelines? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor, smash that like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more people just like you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Finally, thanks for watching. This is Insights to Income, helping you navigate the crypto markets smarter. See you in the next one.